In this video, I'll quickly show you how to change your Hostinger email in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. First, head over to hpanelhostinger.com and log into your account. Once inside, go to your account settings from the dashboard. In the account information section, look for the email settings tab. Click on it and you'll see the option to update your email. Now, type in your new email address carefully and hit continue. Hostinger will send a confirmation email to your new address. Open that email, click the verification link, and your Hostinger email will be successfully updated. Finally, log back into Hostinger with your new email to make sure everything is working perfectly. And that's it. You've changed your Hostinger email in less than 2 minutes. If this video helped, hit like, share it with others, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.